Hello and welcome back to Swing Trading Masterclass by Wealthy Education. In this video, I'm taking a look at those Marubozu candlesticks and how we could have added some technical indicators on top of them to perhaps formulate the trade. What's interesting is that Marubozu, remember it's got no wick one way or the other. It means bald man in Japanese. So that's a way to remember that it just has no hairs coming off of it one direction or the other. So let's go ahead and take a look at our candlestick. This was an absolutely brilliant shorting opportunity. You did suffer a bit for a couple of hours as you went back and forth, but it's an hourly chart. So let's add the moving averages. Couple of exponential moving averages, and you can see right away the 9 was broken to the downside, which would have triggered some people selling. And then check this out, Marubozu forms, and then by the time we truly broke through it, you had the cross, which confirmed that. I also would put the MACD up. Take a look at that, and you can see that right here we had a cross as well. The histogram started to go negative. Not the strongest MACD signal, of course. I'd be the first to admit that. But between that, the moving averages, and quite frankly, just the candlestick, those are all reason enough to consider shorting the market at that point. So over here in Apple, we had the Marubozu, the bullish one right here. What are we looking at here? Well, first of all, the first thing that you could say is look at this area here. This 270, 250-ish area was resistance, and we broke above it, and we stayed all the way up here. So that is a sign of strength. Again, let's do some moving averages. And as this is an hourly chart, you can see that the 9 offered support and should continue to push this market to the upside. You have the 20 right here, which it had actually crossed all the way down here. So this shows just how strong that uptrend was. And finally here in Cardano, we had this Marubozu here. I would point out the fact that we had just broken through some somewhat significant resistance here and closed at the top. That's always a bullish sign. You could also make an argument based upon other indicators. So let's take a look at the MACD here as well. And you can see that the MACD had done a zero line cross just before there, and the moving averages started to rally as well. And just for good measure, let's put the parabolic SAR on and see what it was telling us. And you can see that it was telling us to be bullish as well. Plenty of reasons to go long. The first one, of course, is the price action itself.